Samari Curtis breaking down the defense, rattles it home on the drive. Falcons in front by 8 right now. Other end though, Precious Aya grabs the O board, goes back up with it. Redhawks end the first half on an 11-0 run. They flip the score, 35-26. Miami O leads at the half. Second half, Melkai Larry behind the back finds Brown for the two-handed flush. 50-39 Miami still. Joe Reece in the paint gets the hoop and the harm. Count them up, 1, 2, 3. Reece, a season-high 20 points later. Brenton Mills to Daquan Plowden. Top of the key, on the money. 25 points for number 25. Falcons in front, 76-71. Redhawks with a response. Isaiah Coleman lands to Aya. The give right back. Cole, top of the key, ties it at 76 all. Hey, how about a little free basketball in BG tonight? In OT, Plowden one-on-one, up and under, 83-79 Falcons. Other end, tough break for BG. Aya wide open off the block, one possession game. Clutch free throws in the end seal the deal. 87-83, BG picks up MAC win number 1.
Definitely a team win. When you get 31 off the bench from your bench guys, and those guys come in and provide that type of spark for you in a game, then you know you're hard to beat. And I think that's what we did, and we got that energy from our guys off the bench, and they just came in and played extremely hard. And I mean, that's all I can ask of them.
It feels good to know that everything's falling into place. It feels good to know that everybody's kind of in the mix, and that's a part of basketball, you know, getting everybody a fair share, getting everybody a touch, and look what happens, you know, positive stuff.
It's just a different type of energy. Like, you know, when our bench is bringing energy, it feeds into our guys that's on the court, it feeds into our fans, and then, you know, it's carryover. All that energy is carried over, you know, and we got the good swing of things.